Third Roman letter. The length of latus rectum is 8 and E is 3 by 5. You know that the length of the latus rectum, the formula is 2b squared by A, which is equal to 8. So 2b squared equal to 8a, b squared equal to 8a divided by 2. So you get b squared equal to 4a. So this is the first equation. So you know the formula b squared equal to a squared into 1 minus e squared. So you substitute this b squared equal to 4a here. 4a equal to a squared into 1 minus e value is 3 by 5 the whole squared. So 4a equal to a squared into 1 minus 9 by 25. So a and a will get cancelled. 1a and 1a will get cancelled. 4 equal to a into, after taking LCM, here LCM is 25. 25 into 1, 25 minus 9 divided by 25. 4 equal to a into 16 by 25. So a value equal to 4 into 25 divided by 16. So a value is 25 by 4. So a value is 25 by 4. So now a squared equal to 25 into 25, 625 by 16. B squared equal to 4 into a, that is 4 into a value is 25 by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So b squared equal to 25. So you know the equation, general equation with center 0, 0, x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared, which is equal to 1. That is x squared by a squared value is 625 by 16 plus y squared by b squared value is 25, which is equal to 1. So this is in the denominator 625 by 16. This will go to the numerator. Therefore, the equation will become 16x squared by 625 plus y squared by 25, which is equal to 1. This is the required equation. Fourth Roman letter. Length of latus rectum is 4 and distance between the foci is 4 root 2. And major axis as y-axis. So here major axis as y-axis. So we have to draw the ellipse along the y-axis. So through this vertex A and A dash, we have to draw the ellipse. Here S is the focus, S and S dash. So we know that it is the ellipse along the y-axis. Therefore, the focus point will become 0, AE and S dash is 0, minus AE. Therefore, the distance between the center to the focus is clearly AE. Similarly, C to S dash is also AE. Here, they given that the distance between the foci is 4 root 2. That is S dash. So, from the first focus to the second focus. S dash is 2AE. But we have the measurement for that, that is 4 root 2. 2AE equal to 4 root 2. So AE equal to 4 root 2 divided by 2. So AE equal to 2 root 2. Now they gave the length of the latus rectum is 4. So the length of the latus rectum is 4. We know the formula 2b squared by a, which is equal to 4. 2b squared equal to this a, we have to multiply with 4, you get 4a. So and then this 2 times. So b squared equal to 2a. You know that b squared equal to a squared into 1 minus e squared for ellipse. Therefore, we substitute this b squared value here, 2a, and then this a squared you have to multiply with 1. and this a squared you have to multiply with e squared also. So a squared into 1 a squared minus a squared e squared. So 2a equal to a squared minus ae the whole squared. So 2a equal to a squared minus ae value is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 the whole squared. So 2a equal to a squared minus 2 2s are 4 into root 2 into root 2 2. So you get a squared minus 8. Here 2a is there. So you bring this 2a to this side. Then it will become a squared minus 2a minus 8 which is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation with product minus 8 and sum minus 2. If you factorize, you get a minus 4 into a plus 2 which is equal to 0. So you multiply minus 4 into plus 2, you get minus 8. Minus 4 plus 2, you get minus 2. So the a value is 4 and a value is minus 2. So the negative value you should not write. You have to take this a value as 4. So if a value is 4 means b squared equal to 2a. That is b squared equal to 2 4s are 8. So b squared value is 8. So b squared value is 8 and a value is 4. A value is 4 means a squared value is 16. So clearly this is the major axis as y-axis. Therefore the equation will becomes x squared by b squared plus y squared by a squared which is equal to 1. Here x squared, the b squared value is 8 plus y squared by a squared value is 16 which is equal to 1. This is the required equation.